or system where living organisms and physical components of their environment interact with one another and exchange materials so as to achieve a functional stability is called an ecosystem. Characteristics of ecosystem. An ecosystem is a basic unit of ecology of living organisms. An ecosystem may be natural like a pond, lake, stream, river, ocean, or a forest. It may also be artificial like an aquarium, an artificial pond or an agricultural field. A pond is an excellent example of a small ecosystem to demonstrate interrelationship between abiotic and biotic component of the ecosystem. Components of ecosystem. Abiotic components of ecosystem. Following are the abiotic components of ecosystem. A. Light B. Temperature C. Water D. Atmosphere and wind E. Fire F. Soil G. Topography H. Gravity I. Inorganic nutrients 2. Biotic factors. Following are the biotic components of ecosystem. A. Producers, green plants B. Consumers, animals and man C. Decomposers and reducers, bacteria, fungi. Types of ecosystem. There are two main types of ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem, it includes forest and desert ecosystem. 2. Aquatic ecosystem, it includes small pool, a pond, stream, river, lake, and an oceanic ecosystem. Mental